How to add bio to your profile on Linktree, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add bio to your profile on Linktree, easy and quick. First open Linktree and then click on your profile here in top corner and click my account. Now scroll all the way down until you find appearance, click on it, and as you see here we'll find your profile settings, then click bio. Now just type here any bio you want, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. Click this icon here in the top corner. Now let's make sure, and as you see it's saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.